Now, your very best may not be the next person's very best, or it might be better than. But don't get hung up in that, because all you can do is all you can do. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel on All Things Business. Bam, here I am. I'm titling this, All You Could Do is All You Can Do. You know, Art Williams back in the late 70s, early 80s, he had a A.L. Williams and he was a good speaker. I love this training. He talked about all you can do is all you can do. Now today, here we're on the 2025 going to 26, and sometime all you can do is all you can do. But I know people are looking for more out of you than what you can do. Folks, don't let that hurt you. Don't let that despise. No. All you can do is all you can do. Now, your very best may not be the next person's very best, or it might be better than. But don't get hung up in that, because all you can do is all you can do. I go back to a story, my beginner mentor, Mr. Kenny Trout, in my first network marketing company. Man, he taught me so much. His mother, Nadine, would tell Kenny Trout, she would say, all the way to her deathbed, she would say, Kenny, all you could do is your very best. Just do your very best, son. You know, he's a billionaire. Some people's very best is their very best. And don't feel bad if you're pressured to do more than you can do. Because then we have built up anxiety, built up resentment, resistance. Now we built up anger. Don't let anybody push you to do more than you can do. Because your very best might be your very best. May not be mine or somebody else's, but that's your very best. So remember, all you can do is all you can do. You know, and the whole idea, talk to people, build your business. Tell you a story, you don't know who you're going to talk to, and you don't know what the dividends are going to pay from talking to people about what it is you do, whether it's insurance, real estate, traditional business, network marketing, whatever it is, talk to people, because we are in a people business. And it's so important because you never know who they know. Let me give you a quick story. People that died and went to heaven, and they're in this big auditorium in heaven. And they had on the stage there, they had all these crowns, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of crowns on the stage. But everybody noticed there was one huge crown. And everybody's talking, whose crown is that? Whose crown is that? And somebody said, well, hey, look, there's Billy Graham over there. Hey, look over there, there's Dr. Miles Monroe over there. Hey, look there, there's so-and-so over there. I wonder who's getting that crown. I wonder who's getting that crown. And so God was calling off people's names on the roster that made it in, and he called another name, nobody knew. He called a couple more names, nobody knew. And everybody was talking about who is going to get that big crown. Who do you think it's going to be? And all of a sudden, God called Dr. Miles Monroe. Came up, everybody was going to get the crown. He gave him a regular crown and he sat down. I said, wow. So next thing they know, they was calling up Billy Graham. Billy Graham came up, got his regular crown and sat down. He didn't get the big crown. I wonder who's going to get the big crown. And the conversation was talking, and God said, shh, everybody, shh. And he's okay, Lord. And he called out a name. Nobody knew. And the gentleman came up there, got the huge crown. Everybody said, oh my God, who is he that he got the biggest crown? He was a gentleman that had talked to and encouraged and brought Billy Graham to Christ. Wow. Wow. You never know who they know. So let this be a lesson to you. All you could do is all you could do. But you don't know who they know. My word to you is keep talking to people because you just don't know. Keep building your business because you just don't know who they know. All you can do is all you can do. Maybe a little bit more But remember, you just don't know who they know. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this blessed you today. Because I tell you what, when I do these talks, it comes right back to me like a bow and arrow, like a boomerang, it comes right back. So all you could do is all you could do. And remember, don't let anybody put pressure on you. Don't let anybody force you to do more than you can do. And remember, don't get resentment, revenge, and feel any negativity toward people who are trying to push you to be more than you can give, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. Take care. God bless. Remember, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And also hit the bell notification. We greatly appreciate it. And please, by all means, leave a comment. And remember, all you can do is all you can do. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.